Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use Gambit cards in Warhammer Underworlds. And to do this, first we'll need to understand when we can use them. And there's a few different types of those cards, and the first one that you can use outside of the power step is reaction. So if you have a reaction on that Gambit card, for example, it looks like this. Then you can use it as it's specified right here after reaction. And otherwise, if you want to use your Gambit cards, you will need to use them in the power step, and power step happens after you activate or your enemy activates their model. And the first one to use a Gambit or power cards is a person that will have a next turn. So that means if I would finish the turn with that guy, then my enemy would get into power step first, and after he makes his Gambit or upgrade cards, I can use mine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.